How to enable or disable Cloudflare IPv6 compatibility in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click Cloudflare. Click to sign in, then enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click the Home menu. You can see that there is an on and off button to enable or disable this feature. Currently, it is disabled. Click to enable this feature. That's it. Now you know how to enable or disable Cloudflare IPv6 compatibility in cPanel. Thank you for watching.